Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete your website on WordPress. So let's go to WordPress. From here, this is your main page, your home page. What you want to do is to go up here on the upper left corner of the screen, click on the WordPress logo or manage your sites. And then from there, this is our current site. What you want to do is you want to click on, apologies for that. You want to click on this one, the three dots right here, the three vertical dots right here, and then just simply click delete site. And that would automatically now delete your webpage or your site. Hopefully we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please of course do not forget to hit the like and the subscribe button and follow us for more videos just like this only here on Talk Help Guy.